CSS3 genuinely introduced real rounded corners, shadows, gradients, animations, and more without needing actual images or JavaScript. In this video, you'll tour several real CSS3 features. Border radius and box shadow genuinely are real CSS3 additions, rounded corners and depth without any actual image files. Linear gradient genuinely creates a real smooth color transition as an actual background, no image needed. Transition and transform together genuinely enable real smooth, actual animated interactions with pure CSS. Border radius box shadow genuinely add real depth without images. Linear gradient genuinely creates smooth color transitions. Transition transform genuinely enable real CSS-only animation. Combine border radius, box shadow, and a hover transform on one real card. Ready to round real corners with border radius?